Hello student, in this video we will learn geography, major domains of the earth. Introduction part. Major domains of the earth is a basic concept in geography. That means whatever we learn in geography is all about the physical features of earth. The major domains of the earth are solid, that is the lithosphere, gaseous, atmosphere, liquid, hydrosphere and biosphere, that are the part of earth which are not isolated but they overlap each other. It means that all the domains of the earth are connected with each other. In this chapter we will learn about four major domains of the earth, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. The four major domains of the earth. Lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The solid portion of the earth is known as lithosphere. Here you should know what is lithos, and here the lithos word means rock. The rocky layer or the solid layer of the earth's surface is known as lithosphere. Atmosphere. The gaseous layer that is surrounded on the earth is atmosphere. Hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, is known as hydrosphere. Biosphere. It is a narrow zone where land, water and air together found, and where the life is possible is called biosphere. Next, here we will learn about the lithosphere. The outermost part of the earth, which consists of upper mantle and crust of the earth, is known as lithosphere. It means there is three parts inside the earth, is crust, mantle and core. But the mantle also divided into two parts, that is upper mantle and lower mantle. From the upper mantle to the crust, or you can say the pedosphere region or the soil region, up to that it is called the lithosphere. Tectonic plates are subdivision of lithosphere. The lithosphere is also known as tectonic region. Lithosphere has rigid mechanical properties. Pedosphere is the uppermost part of the lithosphere, which reacts chemically with all other three major domains of the earth, that is hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Here the term pedosphere, we should know that ped means soil. The sphere or the layer of soil is known as pedosphere. So in this sphere or pedosphere, life is possible. That is why the hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere, these three layers or domains, are directly connected with the pedosphere. There are two major domains or divisions on the earth's surface, that is continent. The large land masses over the earth's surface is known as continents. Here we will learn some basics of continents, that is the highest mountain peak on the earth is the Mount Everest. The current official elevation is 8,848 meters above sea level. The elevation was measured and established by Indian Survey conducted in 1955. You should remember that the border between Nepal and China runs across its summit point. So, if someone will ask you where Mount Everest situated, then you will say it is on the border between Nepal and China. Ocean basin, the huge water bodies. Mariana Trench is the deepest oceanic trench on the earth. Here it is a whole area where the deepest part of Mariana Trench is known as Challenger's Deep. Must remember, the deepest portion is at 11,034 meters. That is the Challenger's Deep. Mariana Trench is located in Pacific region or Pacific Ocean. Mariana Trench is 69 km in width and 2,550 km in length. Mariana Trench derived its name from nearby Mariana Islands, which is located at around 200 km from the Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean. So you must remember in which ocean Mariana Trench is situated. You will say Pacific Ocean. There are 7 major continents and these are separated by large water bodies. We all know. Here the first Asian continent or Asia continent. The largest continent on the earth is Asia. Asia is also the most populous continent on the earth, that is, it is home to approximately 60% of the world's population as of 2019. Asian continents occupy approximately 30% of the earth's total land area. You should remember. To the south of the Asian continent lies the Indian Ocean. To the north lies Arctic Ocean and to the east lies the Pacific Ocean. And in west you will find Red Sea. Asia and Africa is separated by Suez Canal. The Suez Canal Authority has been run by the Egypt government. Asia and Europe is separated by Black Sea and Caspian Sea, also Ural Mountain. Here you can see the map of Asia. India, China, Mongolia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Iran are some big nations of Asia. Now Africa. The second largest continent on the earth is Africa. Africa covers 20% of the earth's total land area. That earlier we have learned that Asia occupies 30% of the earth's total land area. Africa is also the second most populous continent on the earth. A large part of Africa lies in northern hemisphere. Must remember. Equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes through Africa. You should remember that. All these three important latitudes are passes through Africa. It holds the distinction of the only continent having all three latitudes passing through it. Otherwise, no other continent has equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. World's longest river, Nile, is in Africa. It has two main tributaries and passes through 11 countries. Here, the main two tributaries of Nile River is Blue Nile and White Nile. It flows from Tanzania, located in south of Africa, and it flows till Egypt, located in north of Africa. Here, the origination of Nile River is from Victoria Lake, and the mouth of Nile River is Mediterranean Sea. This is northward flowing river and around 6,650 km long. The largest hot desert of Earth is the Sahara Desert, which is located in Africa, better said, north of Africa. It extends from Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east. Sahara Desert covers a large part of Africa. Mediterranean Sea lies to the north of Sahara Desert. Here you can see the political map of Africa. Here the Algeria is the biggest country, Democratic of the Congo, Tanzania, Angola, Saudi Arabia, etc. are very important countries. Now, Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent of the earth, occupies around 2% of the surface of the earth. Russia is the largest country in this continent. As we know that uh, most of the part of Russia is situated in Asia and less of it situated in Europe, though Russia is the largest country in European continent. Western civilization was born in Europe. Atlantic currents has also the biggest influence on the European continent by their economy, etc. To the south of Europe lies the Atlantic Ocean. To the north of Europe lies the Arctic Ocean. To the south of Europe lies the Mediterranean Sea. To the north of Europe lies the Arctic Sea, and the west of Europe lies the Atlantic Sea. Here you can see the map of Europe. After Russia, Ukraine is the largest nation of Europe. North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, Africa. Number 3 is North America, where we will find USA, Canada like countries. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. The Isthmus of Panama, a narrow strip, links North America and South America. Isthmus means a narrow strip or landmass that joins two big landmasses. By the Isthmus of Panama, North America and South America are connected. But now the Panama Canal has been created, which dislinked the South America or separates the South America from North America, the Panama Canal. This continent is surrounded by three oceans, and there are Atlantic Sea, the Pacific Ocean, and the Arctic Sea in the north. Here you can see the map of North America. Canada, United States of America, Mexico. Here the Canada is the biggest one. Here, South America. There are 12 sovereign states in South America. This continent is located in the southern hemisphere. In terms of total area, South America is fourth largest continent after North America. Pacific Ocean is located to the west of South America, as well as Pacific Ocean is situated to the southwest of North America. To the east of South America lies Atlantic Ocean. Brazil is the most populous country in South America and also the biggest country of South America. The Andes Mountain is world's longest above water mountain range and it is situated in South America. Andes Mountains. It is parallel to Chile country. The world's largest river is Amazon River and it is located in South America, the Amazon River. Here you can see the map of South America. Now, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all sides by the ocean and seas. It is called an island continent as of surrounded by seas and oceans. Here you can see the map of Australia. Here the largest country is Australia. This continent also known as Oceania. Antarctica, the southernmost continent on the earth. Antarctica is a huge continent and lies completely in southern hemisphere. The South Pole lies in South Polar region. Almost at the center of this continent is permanently covered with thick ice sheets, which is known as permafrost. Various countries have their research station there. India also has its research station, namely Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Here you can see the map of Antarctica, the Queen's Mole Land, South Pole, Victoria Land, Wikilees Land, Southern Ocean, Ross Sea, Mary Bird Land, Amundsen Sea, Graham Land, Weddell Sea. Hydrosphere. We will learn about the hydrosphere in the next video. Till then, bye bye.